Word mode on.
Good morning. So, it's still morning. Tapos lang kumain ng mga kiddos. Nakakain na din ako ng breakfast. So, I have to go to the warehouse para dalhin tong ating pinamili kahapon sa Costco. So, this is my working mode on. So, before I go to work, kailangan muna natin na freshen up. Freshen up with Dipisal. Let's go. So, we're here sa ating warehouse. Sana nandito na si Minjun. This is our Korea warehouse. And ito ang international items natin. International boxes. And our Philippines. Yung off to Philippines. Hello, Father! Ibababa na yung items. Okay. So, yan na siya. Boxing. Minsan live seller, pero madalas kargador. Ito yung pinakamahirap eh. Yung pagbaba ng items sa car, which is very heavy. So, sobrang dami natin pinamili. So, ubos ang powers. So, ayun. Naibaba na natin. Dito ginaganap yung sorting ng ating international parcels. Yan, sinusort sila sa mga international boxes. And then, yung Philippines naman natin. Pinabox na yun ni Papa, diretso pa Pinas. Medyo na-delay lang yung boxing today because Papa is sick for 2 days. So,